the tears that are in my eyes right now, man. After all I've been through with this car, yo. After all I've been through with this car, man. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So boom! So boom. It's too low to get out the other way. So boom. 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 Boom. So boom. So boom. So boom. Oh shit! Look. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Which way we headed here? All right. I hope this is the way. Mad speed made the fire. What we say this was? Oh shit.
Fucking radiator cap?
Radiator cap.
Mud flap?
Mud flap. Damn, what the fuck is this?
I don't know. I keep scraping. Figure it out.
This is my overflow tank hose.
There you go. Now look.
Huh?
Fender molding.
Fender molding. How bad is? Oh damn. It's pretty fucking bad, yo. Fender molding. What the fuck? Oh, headlight.
Oh damn.
It was a headlight.
Fuel regulator cover? No.
Let's see. That was the fuel that goes over the fuel.
That do, right? Yeah, it is.
Yep.
This John right here?
That is the upside of the fucking what you call it?
IAC?
The IAC.
That bitch melting.
The remnants of the IAC. The bumbo clod. All right, man. We're gonna clean this shit up, man. Hey.
She wasn't worried about my car, she's worried about Dish's car. You know what she told me? She said, oh, all they done was knock the paint off your bumper. There you go, boy.
All right, brother.
Get you a picture of a fresh start. Starting all over again. That's what you do.
first and foremost, shout out to everybody that has been messaging me, that has been offering help, that has been offering parts for the rebuild. We're definitely doing a rebuild. So, Operation Rebuild Blue. Hashtag Rebuild Blue. BLEW. Blue Bio app. Hurts me to come on here, man, and say, yeah, we burnt her down. What ended up happening was, for the masses, I ended up switching my turbo out, and when I switched my turbo, it moved my oil line. Front, and boosh, fire. Very hurt, man. If you follow me on Instagram at the Ferron shop, you'll see that, man, I was hurt. I didn't really think that I had that much attachment to this car, to be honest with y'all. But it's been a lot of time invested in the build. And the purpose of the build for the Down syndrome awareness was just another level to the build. I think we're gonna go ahead and try to rebuild her. And yeah. So will y'all go on this journey with me? Turn 1. Peace.